Hello everyone, I am S. PRIYA, Assistant Professor from the Department of Artificial Intelligence and Data Science at Panimalar Engineering College. Today we are going to learn about the basics of the data science, one of the most important trending technology. In this video, we are going to see about what is data science and its advantages and futures of the data science and the data science process life cycle, and what are the tools we are used for data science process and the algorithms and the real world examples. Let us see what is data science. So data science means it is the knowledge about the data. It is the process of collecting data, analyzing data. After analyzing, we have to find the useful information. Based on the information, we have to make better decision making. In simple words, data science means using the data to predict what will happen next. Let us see the best example for the data science. YouTube suggests the videos based on your watch history. You all are watched in movies in Netflix. After watching movies, it will automatically recommend some movies based on your previous watch history. That prediction is called the data science. If you take the online shopping app, it shows the product based on your search. Next one is the futures of the data science. It works with a large amount of data. It uses statistical, mathematical, and programming language to analyze the data, and it also helps to find out the decision making. It based on the decision making, it will predict the future trend. Next one is the advantages of data science. Why is data science is important? It will give the better decision making, and it saves the time and cost, and it improves the business growth, and it helps the understanding the customers. Based on the customers' feedback, it increases the efficiency. Next, we are going to see about the data science process life cycle. There are 5 steps in the data science life cycle process. First one is the data collection. Second one is the data cleaning. Third one is the exploratory data analysis. Fourth one is the model building. Fifth one is the model deployment. In the data science process life cycle, first we have to collect the data from the various resources. After collecting, we have to clean the data. After cleaning, we have to explore the data into visual representation. Based on the analysis, we have to build the model. After building the model, we have to deploy the model to the customer usage. After that, we have to monitor and update the changes. The first step of the data science process life cycle is the data collection. Without data, there is no data science. So the data will be collected from the various resources like databases, websites, sensors, and surveys. The data also be collected from the various open source websites like Google, GitHub. The second step of the data science process life cycle is the data cleaning. The collected data is not always perfect. It may contain the missing values, errors, duplicate records, and noise. So we have to find out these types of data and we have to clean the data. The data cleaning improves the quality and prepare the data for the analysis. The third step of the data science process life cycle is the exploratory data analysis. Exploratory data analysis means understanding the data using the graph, charts, and statistics. It also helps to find the pattern, relationship, and trends of the data. The next step of the data science process life cycle is the module building. In these steps, machine learning algorithms are selected. The various machine learning algorithms are linear regression, logistic regression, decision trees, random forest, reinforcement learning, KNN algorithm, naive Bayes. Based on our project, we have to select the algorithm. After selecting, the model is trained using the historical data. After that, the system learns the patterns from the past data. Model deployment is the last step of the data science process life cycle. The trained model is placed into the real world customer usage by using the mobile apps and websites, and it will be continuously monitored and updated. Next one is the tools used for analyzing the data. So Python is the most popular language that we already know for data science process, and R programming language is used for statistical analysis. Excel is used for basic data analytics. SQL is used for database management, and Tableau is used for data visualization. Power BI is used for business intelligence tool. Next one is the real world applications. The data science is almost used in every field. Some of the examples are healthcare, banking, education, and transportation. When you are taking healthcare, it will find out the patient analysis and it will predict the disease. When you are taking the banking, it will get the customer details from the banking and it will analyze the transaction and it will find out the fraud detection, and it will also maintain the credit scoring. When you are taking the education, it will analyze the student's performance based on the unit test, internal test, and the previous semester marks. When you are taking the transportation, it will analyze the traffic prediction and also it will route optimize. After learning the data science, the students can become data analyst, data scientist, business analyst, machine learning engineer. So the data science convert raw data into useful knowledge. It helps business grow, improves the decision making and creates strong career opportunities. In today's digital world, the data science is not optional, it is essential. Thank you for watching this video.